attack begin.
Another Cars on Coffee. I went to the Panama City Cars on Coffee this time. This is my first time going down there. Not a bad turnout. It's a little bit chilly this morning, so I think that kind of kept some people back, being so cold and all. Us Floridians aren't used to this 50-degree weather, 40-degree weather. That's way too cold. But I met up with a bunch of guys from from the area that I'm in that drove down there. Mostly, they were mostly Mustang guys. Cool little run down there. Not too bad. Didn't stay too long. But all in all, it's was pretty good. Good close out to the end of the year. So last show. I think it was their last Cars and Coffee, but I'm sure we could have Cars and Coffee all year round. But I think I'm gonna take my wheels off probably starting next week and redo them for be ready for February. So I'll have all of my put my stock wheels back on and ride around on those for a little bit. guys what the wheels look like once I get them broken down and put back together and stuff like that. I don't think I'll be deploying as soon as I was supposed to deploy, until they figure out some medical issues and stuff like that, and then I'll be up and running again. But other than that, that give me a bunch of free time at home, not at home, but free time from leaving the country, so I could make it to a few more car shows this season and do a few more mods to the car. One of the mods that I'm planning on doing to the car next year is to go with air suspension. So right now my car is lowered on H&R springs 1.8 inches all the way around, but with the 1.8 it is super low, so like it has a hard time getting on the lifts at the dealership, and also then it also have a hard time going over speed bumps, and sometimes when I go over a speed bump a little tad too fast, I could feel it scrub underneath the bottom. But I like the ride height, I like how it is, so I think I'm gonna go air suspension. But the question that I have is, do you think I should go Accuair or Airlift? I know there's a few people on here that have I know there's a few people on YouTube, I know like SRT Mush and Kevin Van Forest, they have Airlift Performance, but they have a Charger, so I know they like it, and SRT Mush his wife ran 9s on air suspension. So I just like the convenience of being able to lift the car up at any time, but I just like how the stance of it with it being low. But I say it's hard getting in and out of some places with the car being just this much lower, and then it's not the problem of the lip or the side, but right where it bends for the you know what I'm trying to say, catalytic converters. They hang down super low, so those usually scrub as well. So with the air suspension, I'll be able to bump it up, have a good ride height, air it out, or jack it all the way up if I need to get on a trailer or go for some speed bumps or get in a steep driveway or something like that. So let me know down below in the comments if I should go with Accuair or Airlift Performance. I know they're both good companies. Those are the two main ones. I know there's many other out there. Plus, I'll be doing the installation myself, so I'm not sure how hard that's gonna be. Everything's a learning process, so I like to do all the stuff myself. If I can't do it myself, or I run into a bind, then I'll see if I can get some help. But I always try and do stuff myself. It doesn't matter how much it costs. Everything's just a learning experience to me, and I have gratification of knowing that I did the job or did the work myself. So if something goes wrong or I'm not happy with it, nobody to blame but myself, and I could be as particular as I want. Come on. Hate these stupid indicators. Slight road reach, and also I need some new tires. Not that they're bad. I picked up a nail in one, and it has a slow leak. Had it patched, but it's still leaking. And then nobody would really, around where I'm at, nobody want to mess with it because of the wheels. They're like, they don't want to pay if they damage the wheels. So I'm gonna have to do it myself, but I'm gonna need to get 2 new rear tires anyway. I have these Goodyears, the DSGS3 D3, pretty good in the rain, got pretty good grip, but with them being a softer compound, they run out, they wear out a lot faster. So I'm not sure which tires I'm gonna get yet. It's up in the air. I've got to do a few research. I don't necessarily want drag radials because I already have drag radials on my factory rims. So if there's any need that I want to put anything that I need drag radial for, I'll just put those back on. But I want a good all-weather, good performance summer tire. That way, if I do some rallies or drive across, do some road trips, because I'm in Florida, and in the summertime it seems like it rains every day, so I need some good performance in the rain tires, and drag radials isn't it, especially from cruising on the highway at 100 plus. When I have some different tires other than drag radials. But yeah, other than that, stay tuned. Got some more updates coming. Got some more projects coming. As I said before, go ahead and check out previous videos. I've done a lot of how-to videos and stuff like that. Not a lot, but a few how-to videos.